Hi, this is going to be a training video for Triple Diamond events, basically showing you how to deal blackjack. It's not really a training video on how to play the game. It's going to be a video just to make your life a lot easier when you're at the party. First, we're going to hit a couple points, especially with the casino money. Most people are going to come in with $300. Don't cash in the $300. It's going to make your life a lot harder. Cash in $100. You cash in $100. Your chips are going to look like this. This is lifted a little bit so you can see the way the chips are supposed to be. 4 red chips. Got the $5 chips, $25 chips, and we got the $100 chips. 4, 2, 2. That's it. It's plain and simple. Somebody comes in with 100. You go ahead and you put the $100 down. Give them 25, $75, and give them 100. Another $25 chip. $100. Alright, so the easiest way to shuffle is this. Put the card right in the middle, get 2 stacks, give one quick shuffle. Middle, 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 and middle. Right there. Put it off to the side, push it together, put it off to the side. And use the shoe to help you out. And you would go about halfway into one deck. This is a 6 deck shoe. So we're going to go ahead and go about 1/2 deck in there. So once you get to the cut card, you know that's going to be your last hand. Use that to help you out. Push that back, pop it in. That's it. Simple as that. Loosen it up a little bit, and you're ready to deal. So we're going to go ahead and once again, this is not actually going to show you how to play. We're assuming you know how to play. This is actually just going to show you what it's expected and what we've done to make it easier for you as the dealer and make it easier, make the game go a lot smoother. Okay, so right now everybody's made their bet. We're going to go ahead and get started. Just do a couple of hands. When we start dealing, we're always going to deal from left to right. So we're going to go ahead and start dealing. Everybody gets a card. You don't have to wet your fingers. Your hands should be able to go ahead and pull the card out fairly easy. And everybody gets dealt 2 cards face up. 2 cards face up. On the dealer, first one gets flipped over. Okay, right now, these hands right now, they're not staged. We're just going ahead and showing you the frequency at which they come out. The first hand right here is a 17. We have an 8. So more than likely, we have to stay on a 17. They're going to stay on a 17. 16, they might hit, so they'll say hit. They went over. If they lose, they go over, take the money first, then the cards, because they lost. Third one, 11. People always double down on 11. So what they're going to do, they're going to put it right next to it, and you as a dealer, you put it face down, across, and say good luck. Good luck. Next hand, soft 14. Soft 14, they're going to hit it. 14, they're going to hit again. 19, that stands. 21, on a 21, that's an automatic winner. 21, I have an 8. I have an 8 showing. So they're going to get paid 2 to 1. Normal casino payout is 1.5. We do 2 to 1. Makes it a lot easier. Makes it a lot more fun. Everybody gets paid. Everybody has a good time. They've been paid. Take the cards. Go down here. We have a 7. 7 against an 8. They're going to hit. 17. They're done. 13. 13, and again. Now we have a 17. More than likely they're going to stay. Then we expose our card. Move our card over, flip it over. We have an 18. So we dealt left to right. We're going to go ahead and start paying right to left. And the reason we do this, you don't want to go ahead and start paying on this side and then they slip in a $100 chip. So we start on this side. Here we go. 17, you have an 18, that's a loser. Take the money. You do not take the cards on the final round. Cards stay there. Just take the money. 18, 17, take the money. That one's been paid, there's no cards there. 19, you have an 18, that's a winner. Flip this over. 19, you have an 18, that's a winner. 17, you have an 18, that's a loser. So then we go back. Remember, right to left. Pick up everybody's cards. You can use both hands, it's okay. Take your cards at the very end, put them together, put them in the back. Alright, now for this exercise, we're going to go ahead and just do the middle 5. So we show you the placement of the cards. I mean, obviously there would be bets. Well, let's go ahead and we'll do some random bets. And we'll do a 25 right there. Okay, so those would have been placed beforehand. Our card. Notice how I place the cards. This way, I can see the cards. 16. They can see the cards. 16. We don't do it like this. We don't do it like that sideways. We keep it nice and clean. We see it. They see it. Flip our first card over. We have a 10. So we start with this side. 16. More than likely they would hit that card. 22. Take the money. Take the cards. They went over. 18. They would stay. 13. They would hit. 14. 18. More than likely they would stay. We got to go to 17. If they have 17 or better, they would stay. They have 18. They would stay. 17. That would stay. And we have 15. They would hit. They went over. Take the money. Take the cards. Move our cards over. 17. 17. 17 and 17 is a push. We knock it. Give it 2 knocks. It stays there. Next one. 18. That's a winner. Put it right next to it. And the last one's an 18. That's a winner. Once everything's been paid off, once again, we start right to left. Take the cards. Take our cards at the end. Alright, here we go. And for this exercise, we're going to go ahead. This should not fit in there. We're going to do the 5 cards just so the camera can pick it up. Everybody gets their cards. Dealer gets a card. And once again, we're putting the cards right here. Not like this, not like that. We're doing it right here, a little bit to the left. That way you can see the cards, they can see the cards. Flip our first card over. 13, they're going to hit. 20, they'll probably stay. And in the casino environment, you would tell them, this is hit, this is stay. You cannot hear them, so please just tell them, if it's a hit, give me a hand signal. Stay, that's a stay. Here we go. 15, that's a hit. 22, too much. Take the money, then the cards. And we have 13. 13 against the 9. More than likely they're going to hit. 15. 25. Too much. Take the money. Then the cards. 19 stays. 19 is the five's going to be a 19. 20, they're going to stay. Here we go. Flip ours over. Got a 14. Dealer has a 14. Dealer busts. Everybody wins. So anybody's left, you don't even have to count them because everybody that's left obviously did not go over. And make sure nobody puts any more bets down because you have to wait until everybody's been paid off to make your next bet. Alright, here we go. On this next hand, we went ahead and we dealt it out, and there's 2 hands that came up double. We're going to go ahead and play this out just to show you what would happen in the casino environment. There we go, 13 against a 10. Hit. And that's going to be a 20. They're going to stay. 8s. More than likely, they're always going to split 8s. Client would put it like that. Split. There we go. First split. 18. They would stay. Stay. 18 and 18. Go to the next one. Now on this one, on aces. Ace is the only time when you split, you only get one card. Doesn't matter if it's an ace. Doesn't matter if it's a 2 or a 10. Doesn't matter. Nothing matters. You only get one more card. That's it. Go to the next one. 21 gets 2 to 1. What that means, if they have 10, they're going to get 20. If they have 5, they get 10. Just put the stacks. Once it's been paid off, go ahead and take the cards. Go to the next one. 20. They're going to stay. Dealer has 15. 20. 20 gets a 20. Knock it. 15 loses. 21 wins. And on that one, it's a regular 21. It's not going to be paid 2 to 1 because it's a split. 18, that loses. 18, that loses. 20, that's a push. Knock it. Take all your cards, right to left. And once again, you can use 2 hands if you need to. And dealer gets picked up at the end. Alright, here we go. We're going to deal the next hand. Uh-oh, this person forgot a bet, so we would skip them. Flip the first card. There you go. Start with this hand. 14, they would take a hit. 22, take the money, take the cards. They went over. Go to the next one. 13, they would hit. 15, take a hit. Too much. Remember, this is a hit, this is stay. Too much, take the money, take the cards. Put them in the back. 14. 19, they would stay. 18, they would stay. Here we go. Move this over. Dealer has 13. 14. 20. That's it. 17 and above. We stand on 17 and above. So we have a 20. Player has an 18. Take the money. 19, take the money. Now we take the cards. Okay, now we're going to explain insurance. When the dealer is showing an ace, the dealer would ask insurance and wave your hand left to right. Insurance. If you want to take insurance, if the player wants to take insurance, they would bet half of their original bet in this line. So let's say everybody wants to take insurance. 100 would be a $50 bet. 10 would be a $5 bet. And this person does not want to take insurance. So everybody bet their insurance. We go ahead and check to see if we have a blackjack. If we have a blackjack, they lose their original bet, but they get 2 to 1 in the insurance. We check it. Nope. No blackjack. Insurance loses. Alright, now on this hand, we're going to do the same thing again. Insurance. You have an ace showing. Insurance. Insurance. Some people are going to take it. They're going to go ahead and put their bet out. Half the original bet. That's a $100 bet. That's 50. 10 would be 5. And this person does not want insurance. So we're going to go ahead and check it. We do have it. Flip it over. Original bet loses. And everybody else gets paid 2 to 1. Alright, right now we're going to go ahead and do a regular hand and see what happens. Flip the first card. Dealer has a 2. There we go. Remember, always point. What would you like to do? He's going to go ahead and probably double down. The double down would be right there. So more than likely he's going to get a 10. We're going to flip it over, upside down, face down, say good luck. 12 gets a 2. More than likely they'll stay. Then they'll wait for us to bust. More than likely we're going to go over. 19 would stay. Remember, you got a point. And they would say on this one, they're probably split. 6s against the dealer's 2. 19. Now they can double down. Double down means they would get one more card, face down, say good luck. Remember, that was original split. 13, that would stay. And 14 would stay. Here we go. 11. 12. 16. Remember, we got to draw to 17. That's a 16. So we got to get one more card. Too much. Everybody wins. So if everybody's still left here, we can flip this over. But if they're still left, that means they did not go over. And everybody would win. Match up the money. Flip this card over. And then take everybody's card. Right to left. And remember, it's okay to use 2 hands. Thank you for watching. Remember, our objective is for our guests to have a good time. It's fake money.